Hi, welcome back to this channel. I'm Ranjita and I do YouTube just for nothing, right? You would have read the title and you have probably gotten an idea what the video is about. Before we get into the video, disclaimer: you'll be probably getting unnecessary, unwanted noises from the background, which I'm really sorry about. I can't do a thing about it. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't even call myself a YouTuber.
That's what she said.
But whatever. So I posted a story on my art account a few days back. It was a little death threat for y'all. Here's a story and you would have read it, of course. So let's get into the questions. There'll be two videos and this is the first one. So sorry. So what's your biggest source of inspiration? Your account itself. Disgusting. That's pain. But yeah, of course, like artists including you that I follow are like massive talented people whose feed I look through and I'm like, you know what, I should just go for it. I might as well do it. And yeah, y'all, and then Pinterest does help me at times. Otherwise, no person or anything as such helps me out. One advice you'd like to give yourself, to your future self 10 years from now, that I shouldn't be a procrastinator. I should be dedicated to what I'm doing. I should control my anger because that shit won't lead you anywhere. And no, but yeah, that, and that I need to be consistent a person. When did you start painting? I was a small kid. I started when I was like super young. Let's consider 2007, I guess. But yeah. When did you start an art account on Instagram? This account was not meant for being an art account. I made it in 2018, March 18, 2018, and it turned out to be an art account. I started posting on June, which is like 2020 June. Yeah. Your favorite medium to work with? I like acrylics and watercolors, except that acrylic has had plasticity in it, but whatever. And right now I'm working with gouache, if that's the pronunciation, but here this is the thing. Yeah. Next, when did you start your art page and how did you gain your followers? And also, I love your art. Hi, I love your art as well. How did I gain my followers is like, a few of them are given to me by my friend. I did not buy it. A good friend of mine runs this fan page and he did this giveaway kind of thing, and the rule was to follow me. But I lost most of them instantly. So, but yeah, I mean, I was not really that happy about gaining so many followers at the moment itself. But I probably like talk to artists and follow some. If they follow me back, well and good. If they don't, I unfollow them. Yeah, simple. Favorite things to draw? Honestly, I could go for anything. I love painting sunsets and portraits, but I'm not good at portraits, so sunsets. When did you start doing your artwork pieces and do you think you've improved since then? I guess I have improved, of course I have. I started, as I told, childhood I started, but if I consider artwork, like proper artwork, it was in 2020, and yeah, I have improved, like with the works that I've done. Sorry. Which I've done like 2020 and 2021, there's like good improvement. I need to improve more, but yeah. Art or playing the piano? I'd always choose the piano because it's helped me remove my frustration. Like, I fuck with it. Not that fuck, but like I bang the shit out of it and like bang because my anger is no joke. Like it's very bad, horrendous, it's very horrible. So I use my keyboard to remove my anger and it helps. So that over anything on planet Earth. I'm really sorry for the background noise. I can't even yell at that asshole, but whatever. When and how do you know that art was it? Like, art was it, right? It was in 8th and 9th. 8th and 9th were the crucial stages of my life because I was almost into shit that a person should never do. And I had given up on life because I did not like my life at all back then, because I had no real friends. I had no one to talk to. I was a failure. No teacher gave me proper attention. I was an outcast and blah blah blah. Even 10th was shitty, but regardless, I was always spoken good of only when it came to art. So that's when I was like, you know what, this is it, I'm good at this, I might as well improve and work on it. So yeah, which color do you associate your soul with? I guess like ocean blue color or like red because anger, and ocean blue as like ocean vibe shit because I'm both angry and I can be calm as well. So yeah, those two colors. Next, who is or was inspiration, like who inspired you to become an artist, or it's more like a myself thing? First of all, I live in a brown household clearly, so parents put you into every literal thing, every class possible on planet earth. I was put into many classes and art was it. But before even my mom put me into a class, I started scribbling here and there. Back in Bombay 2007, I was like super small. I used to stick it on the wall, so shit happened there. Yeah. How do you deal with art blocks? Ma'am, I don't deal with it. I fucking cry. I have a whole huge ass mental breakdown because I just can't. I can't see. I do this one thing that's wrong. I compare myself with various artists, and that pulls me down like super bad. And when it comes to art blocks, again, I stop posting. I deactivate my account and cry.
Okay.
In front of my bestie, I FaceTime my bestie, or like when we are on a call. Her name is Shruti, so I won't just call bestie. So I call Shruti, or she calls me, and we have a talk, and then I start crying about it. When did you start your painting? As I told, I was small, but painting 2020, 19, 21 as well. What made you passionate about art? Honestly, the same answer as I told for when and how it was. I knew about like it was art because I was an outcast, so I got proper attention when it came to art. Yeah.
You got into that a little too much. Oh.
But yeah, do you want to pursue your career in art field? If not, what do you want to be? And by the way, big fan, ma'am, I'm a biggest fan of yours, right? We will not go there, but yes, I am gonna go like pursue art. For college, I'm choosing BFA. I've chosen BFA, that's Bachelor's in Fine Arts of whatever, Bachelor's of Fine Arts. And yeah, if you get a chance to meet any celebrity, who would that be and why? I'd like to meet the one and only BTS. You know why? I mean, obviously, who wouldn't want to meet? If I get a lifetime chance like that, I would love to be Sakshma. If you all know the Now, the interview, bruh, I fainted. Their new song, amazing. But yeah, so I'd like to meet BTS only because they're freaking talented. But regardless, that would be there. It would be them. Blah, blah, blah. Next, hey, so my question is, since when are you playing the piano? Because you're so good at it. Thank you. Hi. I love your art. I started playing the piano when I was in fifth, sixth around, because my parents forced me into it. Like my mom forced me into it. As I told, brown household, you get put into various classes, and piano was one of them. And yeah, I was not really interested in keyboard. If you all want to know the full story, stay tuned for the second episode of this second part episode. Series chal raha hai yahan pe to. I'm kidding. But yeah, there'll be a part 2 to this, and there are a few more questions that I have to answer. And one last question. What acrylic brand do you use? I use Fevicryl, Fabrica paints. Yeah. There are more questions which I'll answer in the next video. I don't want to make it a super as long as video because I myself am not interested in speaking so much. But yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you all got the beautiful house tour moment that is going on behind me. But yeah, so what? Stay tuned. If you all do watch the video and you have further more questions that you want to ask, drop down the comments. And yeah, stay safe, get yourself vaccinated, don't go out of your house, especially Delhi people. When the lockdown is over, just stay in your house, okay? Just consider that COVID is not yet gone. It won't go, right? Keep studying for those who are and who aren't. We can be besties, bro, I swear to God. But yeah, stay safe, stay tuned for the next video, and peace.